Hello, I'm Tony, and in this video I will explain how to use OPENDIME. I will start from introducing this small little guy, OPENDIME. I think it's a very good tool for cryptocurrency, for transferring, for gifting other people cryptocurrency, because you can send your bitcoins into this OPENDIME. You can give it to somebody, and then this guy or girl that got it as a gift, she or he can use it, can transfer it to their own account or spend it in their own ways. So yeah, I'm using it pretty often as a gift, so I'm gifting it to different members of my family, so they are pretty aware of how it works and what's the OPENDIME. And I want to show you guys that you also can do that by yourself. The small thing about OPENDIME price, I don't like it. It's still like $40 US for three of those OPENDIMEs, and you are getting it in this kind of package. So this is the package. I already gave one of those OPENDIMEs from this package to one of my friends as a gift, and two left. So let's plug it in and see how it works. Let's go to the computer, and I see another device, OPENDIME. So I'm going into that, and I will open index.html. So here we are, some kind of warning, terms of use. You would like to read it if you want to store your cryptocurrency on this device. But I already read it, and I will just show you how to use it. So of course you agree to terms of sale and use. Right now I'm in this folder, so I'm already in, and I want to copy files into OPENDIME, at least 256 kilobytes of data. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's go into my OPENDIME folder, in which I've got graphics prepared. This is my graphics that I prepared for this operation, and let's copy it to the OPENDIME. We are doing it to create private key of the OPENDIME, to generate enough inertia to have this private key very safe. So you shouldn't show this file to anyone. I showed that, but I will blur the image in my video itself, so you guys won't see the whole information inside of it. So yeah, my OPENDIME was already ejected by the computer itself, so I will eject it physically. And I will put it in again. So let's do that right now. It's in. Let's open it and open index.html again. So this is our address. So this is the address of the OPENDIME. Into this address, this is the QR code, and this is the old Bitcoin address starting from 1, so this isn't the SegWit address. So into this address you need to send your funds that you want to transfer, to give somebody on this device, on this OPENDIME. So I will do that right now from my Trezor wallet. I will send, I don't know, 0.01 bitcoins into this address. So it's $70 US. Yeah, and I will choose the high fees, and I will send it. I need to, of course, confirm it on my Trezor device, and it's sent. So after clicking check the balance, I see I've got unconfirmed 0.001 bitcoins. And I can also look it up on blockchain.info. For example, this is the biggest blockchain explorer with the best best option to like see the transactions. And yeah, it's there. So our next point would be transferring money out of this OpenDime that is currently plugged in into some kind of external wallet, and I will transfer it again to my Trezor wallet. So I will do that in the next section. So last time we put our funds into the OpenDime, and right now we want to retrieve it to some kind of wallet. How to do that? Basically, you have to take some kind of pin or some needle or something like that. I'm taking the earring of my girlfriend, and on the OpenDime, here we can see there is a hole. We need to punch into this hole. So let's take this earring. So on the other side of the OpenDime there was some kind of element that I just took off the circuit board. That's why we will be able to retrieve our bitcoins. So let's put it in the USB port. Let's open index.html in the OpenDime. And we see our private key and the QR code of the private key. So what I will do right now is I will take my mobile phone, I will open the Electrum Bitcoin wallet application, and I will import the private key using this QR code. But you also can just import this private key into any other Bitcoin wallet that allows you to do it. Basically 90% of the wallets allow you to import a wallet by the private key. So I will do it in this application, but you can do it with any other application that supports it. I will open my application. I will click import Bitcoin address or private key. I will click the camera button. I will copy the private key of my OpenDime into my Electrum wallet. I will click next. I will set up a PIN code. And I can see my balance. I've got 10 milli bitcoins, 0.01 bitcoin on my phone. And right now I can just click send and send it to any other Bitcoin address. And this is how easy it is. And my OpenDime, I can already throw it into trash after sending this money from my wallet on the mobile phone, because I want to spend it first before putting it to trash, so any other person can use this private key to access it. So yeah, that's all for how to use it. And why am I using it? Because it's one of the best ways of sending somebody some kind of gift, giving bitcoins in form of the gift. I think Bitcoin is very good gift for people who either are interested in that but don't know how to start, how to set up a wallet, how to do something with that. It's the best way of introducing people to Bitcoin and giving them a gift with some kind of money at the same time. So that's why I'm using it, and I really like this idea of the OpenDime USB stick. I would love for it to be a little bit cheaper. It's a little bit too expensive at the moment, and I would love it to be cheaper. But anyway, it's a very good gift idea for the people who are interested in cryptocurrency or just want to start the journey, but they don't know how to do that, how to acquire their first Bitcoin, how to buy something on exchange. This is the best way for introducing those people into Bitcoin. And that's all for today. If you dislike this video, please hit the dislike button. If you like it, please hit the like button underneath. I love your feedback, so please write in the comment section what do you think about this video and about the OPENDIME. And see you in the next video. Bye!